When you receive your Charlie zippers, they'll come in a 2-pack. To install them, you're going to open up the pass-through. You'll see that there's loop on both sides. Take the zipper, start on one end, and adhere it to the loop. You're going to repeat the process on the other side. You should be able to action the zipper easily with one hand. Definitely note that you can flip these either way, and the same zipper insert will work on both sides. There's no wrong way to install these as long as the pulls are on the outside. Installing Charlie flaps is very straightforward. Take your flap, either the Viper tab variant or the hook variant, open up your pouch and attach the Velcro to your desired ride height. To install a high grip bungee retainer, you're going to determine the height that you need. So in this case, put a 30 round PMAG in, take your shock cord, run it through the front tab, run it through the retainer, take it on the back side, feed it through the back, and tie an overhand knot. The Charlie line fits our standard size inserts from our rigid insert systems. Here we have a Multisert. There's loop on the back side. Take your insert and adhere it. Again, note that both the pouches and panel version fit the standard size of our Bangsert, Multisert, and Loopsert. The large size will not fit.